Clever Login San Diego Unified School District, and it should be the first link that pops up. Once you are on this page, please click on Login with Active Directory. Once you click that, you'll be taken onto a new page, and this is where you will type in your child's user ID and password. And if you need this, your child's teacher can provide that for you. If you click on Sign In, you'll be taken to the Clever page, and you will click on your teacher's page, and you will see a new icon and a link to Capit, our new phonics program. Now, the login process to this website is very simple. Please type in your child's student ID number followed by @stu.sandy.net. And your child's teacher should provide you with the password to this login. Once you type that in, press Login. We'll then click on the blue circle with the arrow and then click Home. And then you will click on your child's name, which will bring you to this page where you will choose your password. Your child should choose 2 icons for their password, and the order matters. And if you are satisfied with the choices, press the red arrow. Now click on the yellow circle where it says Level 1, and your child will be taken to this page where they will be taking an assessment. Your child should take this assessment on their own without the help of you or any siblings. This is to ensure that the data we receive is an accurate read of your child's present phonics levels. If you have any questions, feel free to message your child's teacher and they would be happy to help you. Thank you!